I'm Abdullah Hassan, 43-Engineering. This is our DSD project. We are Team Navy. Our project idea is like an hotel room. The idea is that this is a light sensor. It has a light sensor, okay, and it has a smoke sensor. When someone enters the room, the lights turn on, and when there is any smoke or any flammable gas in the room, the fire sensor is on. The alarm is on. Okay, let's test it together. This is an hotel room. When someone enters the room, the lights are turned on. Okay, and if this is a flammable gas, and if any flammable gas is in the room, the sound of the alarm will turn on. I was responsible for all this hardware connections and the components to bring it together. Thank you.
Mustafa Abubakar Mahmoud, and I was responsible for taking all the components and implementing them in one big component. I take the proximity sensor signal and use it to output a light, and you also use the smoke detector signal to output sound.
My name is Mustafa Ahmad Abdullah. Today we're going to talk about the proximity sensor. The idea of the proximity sensor that it has an input and it has an output. They're both STD logic. The idea is that the proximity sensor senses whenever an object is in front of it, and when an object is in front of it or approximately in front of it, the output sensor, the output becomes 0.
Hello, my name is Abdurrahman Omar. I was responsible for the fire sensor component. The fire sensor in the entity, it takes one input and one output, and the output is called sound, and the input is responsible if the fire sensor actually sensed fire. In the architecture, if the fire sensor sensed a fire or a gas, it turns the sound into 1. Which further activates the buzzer, and if it didn't sense a fire, the sound remains 0.
I'm Yusuf Abdurrahman. I was responsible for the light and sound in our project. So for the light, I did an entity called light. We take as an input an integer, and we output a standard, and our output is our standard logic type. And for the sound, we declare the sound as an output of type standard logic in the DSD project entity, and that's it.